Today you will learn how to make one of the most iconic fish recipe of the Moroccan cuisine, Moroccan fish balls tagine with vegetables. So let's jump into it. Add 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of olive oil in your pan. Then add 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup or 200 grams of chickpeas, 2 large diced tomatoes, 1 cup or 20 grams of checked fresh coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons or 14 grams of paprika, 1 teaspoon or 3 grams of turmeric, and finally 2 bell peppers cut in strips. Mix everything thoroughly, making sure that every element of your Moroccan fish tagine recipe is coated with the spices. Your kitchen at this point should smell like a Moroccan spice market. Let it cook covered on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. While it is cooking, you can prepare your Moroccan fish balls. Wet a paper towel and put your large onion on it. Cutting your onion on the paper towel will ensure that you will never cry again while cutting any amount of onions. Put your onions in the food processor. Add half a cup or 15 grams of checked fresh parsley leaf, a cup or 20 grams of cilantro leaves, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Pulse everything together. Don't forget to scrape the sides. Pulse again and put your chopped herb mix aside. In a separate bowl, put 1 cup or 250 grams of minced salmon, a cup or 250 grams of white fish, add your fresh herb mix, then 2/3 or 70 grams of breadcrumbs. You can also use gluten-free breadcrumbs. We love the Jason brand. 2 egg yolks. That is the secret to have smooth fish balls. 1 teaspoon or 2 grams of cumin, 1 teaspoon or 2.3 grams of paprika. Then mix everything together. Add half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix again and put everything in the fridge. At this point, your vegetable sauce for your fish balls tagine has been cooking for 10 to 15 minutes. Add half a cup of hot water and let it come to a boil. Then remove about 5 to 6 tablespoons of fish tagine sauce and reserve it for later. To form your Moroccan fish balls, wet your hands with water. This will help for the balls not to stick to your hands. Take 1 large tablespoon of the fish mixture and roll it between your hands until it forms a smooth ball and place it in your pan. Continue the process until you have formed all your Moroccan fish balls. When you place your Moroccan fish balls in your pan, make sure that you leave between them enough space to avoid for them to stick together while cooking. Pour the sauce that you have reserved earlier on the fish balls. Let the sauce go back to a light boil, then cover your pan. Lower the flame to medium-low and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Before serving, add some fresh coriander leaves and lemon wedges. Adjust the seasoning to your taste. And as an optional step, add a drizzle of honey to perfectly balance your homemade Moroccan dish. Enjoy this amazing and delicious Moroccan fish balls tagine with vegetables recipe that is perfect for any occasions, especially as part of your favorite Shabbat fish dishes and Shabbat dinner menu. And if you made it to the end of this video, please write "I'm with you" in the comments so I know you were here. And of course, do not forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel as it helps us grow and reach more people who, just like you, wants to live a simplified yet more meaningful Jewish life. As a follow-up, I will invite you to watch these 2 videos. Thank you for being here, and until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.